Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about how to insert a signature into a Gmail email. So first of all, you need to build the signatures. You can type one outside Gmail, probably in a Word document, or you can have someone design for you a picture signature or an HTML signature, and then you paste it within Gmail. So if you have those with you, I'm just going to show you how to add them into Gmail. So first of all, we just go to the settings, click on all settings, go to the general tab, scroll down until we see where it's written signature. So let's start with a typed signature. This can be in HTML format or it can be a typed one like I have. So you click create and we're just going to write typed so that we can identify it. So all I'm going to do right now is to paste the one that I have. And as you can see, I typed this one. It is the email, it is the website, in the name of the person. You can actually add Greg M there. So this is the first type that I've added. I might also want one which really looks nice, which is probably in a picture format. So all I do is create new and I name it like JPG or rather picture. And then I click create. So first I have to upload that picture. So I click there, here where it says insert image. And then I go to Google Drive and then upload. Click browse. I'm taking it from my computer. It is uploaded. So I have to allow it so that people can see it because it's now in my Google Drive. So if you scroll like that, you see it, but it's too big. So when you click it, you'd have to choose between these options. I'll go for large. As you can see, it fits very well. So now I have two. After that, I have to create what we call signature defaults. For every new email, I can choose to say I want a typed one, a typed signature. And when I'm replying people, let me just say maybe I want a picture one. It's something that you can choose to say I want this type on that type of email. Once we do this, we go to the bottom and save the changes. So what will happen if I try to compose a new email, we'll get a typed signature. If I click on this one, as you can see, the signature already appears. You don't have to go and look for it. Suppose you want to change this signature that you have to the other type of signature, which is in picture form, and it really looks nice. So what you do, you simply go down here to the pen icon and you click it, and you choose where it says picture. You see, it automatically changes to the other type of signature. So you then type here your email, dear Tom, and you continue with the email and write regards. And this is the signature that will be used when you send the email. So that's how you add signatures and make use of them in Gmail.